All right, y'all, let's talk about today's warm-up. So again, much like yesterday, we're looking at division, and our first problem is done for us, right? 3/4 divided by 2/5. So a scenario might be, I don't know, I have 3/4 of a pound of spaghetti sauce, and each pizza I'm making requires 2/5 of that pound. How many pizzas can I make, right? So we're going to start with our total, and then we are going to copy that original number, which was the total that we were starting with, dot or times, right? And then flip. We find the reciprocal of that first number, 2/5, so we write 5/2, and we multiply straight across. Now, the answer they gave us, 15/8, that's an improper fraction. I don't particularly like that, so let's turn that into a mixed number, right? 8 goes into 15, 1, 7 left over, 1 7/8. So let's take a look at number 2 here, right? 5/4 divided by 2/3. Well, let's go ahead and copy dot flip, right? 5/4 times 3/2, and we get 15/8, which is what we just did, 1 7/8. All right, number 3, this one right here. 1/7 divided by 1/4 is the same as saying 1/7 times 4/1. We take that reciprocal and we get 4/7, right? Our next one here, 8/13 divided by 1/2. We'll take 8/13, copy, dot, and then flip 2/1. That gives us 16/13, which is 1 3/13. And take a look at number 5 here, 3/5, copy, dot, and then flip. We find the reciprocal of our second fraction, so 6/1, and we get 18/5. 5 goes into 18 3 times, which is 15, with 3 left over, right? 16, 17, 18, 3 3/5. And then the last one here, number 6, 4/8 times, instead of being 5/1, we'll write 1/5. And that gives us 4/40, which we can simplify to 1/10. Now let's take a look at this this bonus question. Harris has 5 1/4 cups of frosting. He wants to put 3/8 of a cup of frosting on each cupcake. How many cupcakes can Harris frost? Now, first of all, I can't wait till the day when my child can bake me cupcakes and frost them on his own. That day will be dope, but we're not there yet. So let's just roll with this hypothetical situation. Let's start with our total, right? 5 1/4 cups of frosting divided by 3/8. Our first step, let's go ahead and turn this mixed number here into an improper fraction. 4 times 5 is 20, plus 1 gives me 21/4 divided by 3/8. Now let's copy that times, and then flip. We'll take that reciprocal of 3/8, 8/3, right? So 21 times 8 is 168, and 4 times 3 is 12. Now, I don't know off the top of my head how many times that goes in, so let's do it out. Not 128. Come on, Mrs. Ritter. 168 divided by 12. Let's go ahead. 12 goes into 16 once, which is 12, and we'll subtract, which is 4. And we'll bring down our 8, and that goes in 4 times. So our answer here is, and 12 times 4 is 48. We have no remainder. Our answer is that Harris could make me 14 cupcakes, and he should, don't you guys think? 14. Awesome. Okay, hopefully you cruised through that warm-up and felt pretty comfortable. Way to go, guys.